this video, we are going to see what is lengthened contraction, what are the causes of lengthened contraction, or explain lengthened contraction. What is lengthened contraction? The definition of lengthened contraction is decrease in the size of plus 3 cations of lanthanide with the increase of atomic number is called lengthened contraction. In the periodic table, on moving from left to right, the atomic size decreases with the increase of atomic number. On moving down the group, atomic size increases. Left to right, atomic size decreases. Top to bottom, atomic size increases. In the case of F block elements, here 4 of lanthanides, 5 of actinides. The lanthanides, the lanthanum to lutetium with increase of atomic number, the plus 3 cations of lanthanide, the size decreases. This phenomenon is called lanthanide contraction. Decrease in size of plus 3 cations with increase of atomic number is called lanthanide contraction. Now we are going to see the reason for lengthened contraction. Before that, we must aware of what is screening effect. What is screening effect is the intervening electrons screens the valency electron from nuclear attraction is called screening effect. The intervening electron present in between screens the valency electron from nuclear attraction is called screening effect. Here in the case of lanthanides, the incoming electrons are going to the 4 of orbital, which is third level from the outermost level. Here 4 of 5d 6s. Here the 4 of orbital, the 4 of electrons possess lesser screening effect. Lesser screening effect means it not shields the nuclear charge. Thereby it not screens the nuclear charge. The valence electron, outermost electron experiences lesser nuclear attraction. Outermost electron experiences lesser nuclear attraction. So lesser screening effect, it not screens effectively, thereby the valence electron experiences more nuclear pull, thereby the nuclear charge, the nucleus pull the valence electron inward, thereby contraction in the size. So thereby in the case of lengthened contraction, the reason is lesser screening effect of 4 of electrons, thereby the outer cell experiences more nuclear attraction, and plus 3 cations, it is already electron deficient. Because of the more nuclear charge, there is a decrease in this contraction in the size called lanthanide contraction. So the lanthanide contraction reason is the lesser screening effect of 4 of electrons. Next one is, what are the causes of lanthanide contraction? What are the causes of lanthanide contraction? Here on moving from lanthanum to lutetium, here it starts with 4 of 0 and ends with lutetium 4 of 14. The middle half-filled configuration is 4 of 7. Here on moving from lanthanum to lutetium, the number of electrons in the f orbital increases 0 to 14. So the number of electrons in the f orbital increases. So more will be the electron, the effect will be more. The lesser the screening effect will be more. More the number of electrons in the 4 of orbital on moving from lanthanum to lutetium, the lesser the screening effect will be more. If it means the total nuclear charge, total nuclear pull experienced by the outer electron will be more. So results in the total lanthanide contraction. So what are the causes of lanthanide contraction or explain lanthanide contraction means on moving from lanthanum to lutetium, the number of electron increases in each f orbital, thereby the effect will be more on moving from lanthanum to lutetium. As the number of electron increases, the lesser the screening effect will be more, thereby the increase in total nuclear charge, that is the total increase in total effective nuclear charge results for the total lanthanide contraction. So this one is the explanation of lanthanide contraction or the causes of lanthanide contraction. So in this video we saw what is lanthanide contraction, what are the causes of lanthanide contraction. The lanthanide contraction is due to the lesser screening effect of 4f orbital.